guys, you're welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe, turn on the notification button and watch till the end. Don't forget to comment and give me a thumbs up if you like what you see. So today we are making Naija perfect jollof rice. The ingredients are listed on the screen. Before I turn on the heat, I usually prep all the ingredients. This helps me to have control over what I'm doing and to meet up with time. It's frustrating looking for salt or any other ingredient when you need it. Right here are my washed tomatoes, pepper, oshombo and seedless tatashi. Make sure you remove the tatashi seeds while washing, except you like the taste. I will be blending them together with ginger. I have my diced onions and garlic. Meanwhile, I have pre-cooked and washed my rice, so whenever I want to fry, I fry the pot first before adding oil. This dries up water and heats up the pan fast, so that when you put your onions, you hear the sizzle of the onions and the aroma will cover the entire kitchen. Hope you heard it. I'm frying these onions on low heat until it becomes translucent. Be patient to fry the onions very well. If not, you won't get the true taste of fried onions in your jollof rice. Add the garlic after the onions. You wouldn't want to have the garlic burnt, so prevent this by adding the garlic when the onions is done. Garlic burns fast. Anytime I'm making jollof rice, I use both tinned tomatoes and fresh tomatoes. I fry the tomato paste first before tomato puree. You can tell when your tomato paste is done when it's slightly dark and form crumbles. Now it's time to add the tomato mix. This is a mixture of tomatoes, pepper, ginger, tatashi and oshombo. Oshombo is natural food coloring ingredient. It is the secret of making a colorful jollof rice. I blended this mixture roughly because I want the rice to have some pepper flakes. If you don't have blender, you can do it the local way. Just crush with mortar and pestle. It will still come out the same. While this is frying, I will put the spices, seasoning cubes, curry powder, thyme and salt. At this point, you are free to taste too. Add more of the spices if need be. As you can see, I just tested it. The taste is good, but I need to put more salt. My sauce is almost done. You can tell when the tomato separates from the oil. So I'll quickly add nutmeg and allow it to cook well. You can add your stock at this point. It's okay to use stock. It adds extra flavor, but it's totally optional. I have a little stock remaining in my fridge, so it's coming in handy. Let it simmer for a few minutes before adding the rice in bits, so as to get it evenly incorporated. Gently do this. Gently mix, no rush. You can turn off the heat. I do this sometimes. Then when I'm done, I will turn on the heat. Add water that is slightly above the rice. I prefer adding water at the interval than to assume measurements that ends up making the rice soggy and tasteless. When I'm done adding water, I cover the pot with the foil first before the lid. It traps heat that would have evaporated through the lid. This trick makes the rice to cook with that little amount of water on low heat. Don't forget, cook rice on low heat. It retains the taste and prevents the rice from burning. So I'm moving to cutting my veggies, my vegetable for garnishing the rice. While my rice is cooking, I'm cutting spring onions and carrots. Quite time saving. This took about 35 to 40 minutes. Let's check the rice now. Wow, Can you see? Can you see the color? The pepper flakes. Oh, the aroma is everything. Let me turn off the heat now. Oh, I can't wait to taste this. Oh, my carrots. Yes, I want it to be crunchy though. Heat from the rice will make it tender. Do you want some? Do you? Do you? Can you see? Make sure you mix properly. Oh, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos and turn on your notification button.